The firestorm swept through the Pacific Palisades and Altadena neighborhoods a month ago, reducing more than 16,000 structures to ash and causing an estimated $275 billion in damages. Many residents fear their community will never be the same.
We know that there's always tomorrow.
In the most devastating natural disaster in California's history, we are seeing people come together like never before.
Lean on me when you're not strong.